I have been battling ground ivy for over a decade. It comes in from my neighbor's yard and makes its way across mine. I recently had an area of the yard cleared of trash trees and the ground was left in a very rough state, which has only made it easier for the ground ivy to spread. I would prefer a solution that is non-chemical. Also, the area is rather large, so it must be something that can be applied from a handheld sprayer. How do I get rid of a large area of ground ivy? Any ideas would be greatly appreciated. Thank you, Patricia. So she's having a problem
With ivy, huh?
with ground ivy. Creeping Charlie,
Yeah.
is another name for ground ivy. So a couple of things here before you jump in, right?
Okay.
Ground ivy is in the mint family.
Okay.
Loves to grow in shady areas and
Okay.
areas that are poorly drained.
Okay then.
Right. So we need to introduce some sunlight to
Sunlight
the
to the-
area,
yeah,
right? And improve the drainage.
Improve the drainage, yeah.
Right. But the question is, how do I get rid of a large area of ground ivy?
And she don't want you to know chemical.
she don't want to use any
chemical
chemicals.
in there.
All right.
And the best
Don't be
thing,
tough now.
It'd be tough to get rid of. And the best thing that try to catch and pull it out of there. She can do
try to
that.
pull it out.
Because
Because it grows by stolen.
By stolen, yeah. But you need to try to get all the root system there.
You better.
You don't leave some in there.
Right.
And also, if it's a real problem there, when you have some hot days, you might want to cover it with some plastic, try to smother it out.
I would smother it out
Yeah.
with some plastic.
With plastic on there and try to get it real hot and then let it
I
die
sure
and
would.
stuff in there. So that's about the only way she can get rid of it. She don't want chemicals on there and everything.
Right. So, Ms. Patricia,
Don't take some time.
Gonna take some time. Hand pulley. Now you can mow it because we know you mow your yard
Yeah,
twice
I'm
a week,
gonna-
right?
yeah.
So you can mow it and try to exhaust the root system of carbohydrates. That's going to take a little
Yeah,
while.
yeah.
And then the third option, of course, would be solarization.
Solarization,
So
yeah.
I would cover it with a plastic, especially during the summer months.
Yeah.
Let it heat up, let it kill.
Let it kill it, yeah.
those stolons.
Stolen,
in the root
try to get
system.
rid of it, yeah.
And see if you can do it that way.
Yeah, you can do it like that way. That'd be the best way
Right.
to do that, yeah.
Then get you a good grass in there.
Put the grass in there, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, get the grass in there growing in there.
Right.
And stuff, yeah. The ground, that'd be hard to get rid of.
Gonna be hard.
That'd be hard.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.